Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di. I am here at Creative Comedy Design. Today I'm going to share with you how I'm going to say get back on track. So as you know, recently one of my dogs has had surgery. That's him in the background. But I have been out of my planners. I have barely even used my planner at all this week. So how do I get back on track? And also the stuff that I do at the beginning of every month. So as we turn the page now, it's September, right? September starts. So August is out and September is in. Again, haven't used this either. So how do I get back on track with life after a planner hiatus? A planner hiatus, that's what we're going to call it, a planner hiatus. So I don't generally back plan. I just jump in, jump back in. You know, you do you if you want to back plan. The only thing that I really do kind of back plan for would be my journal. I've got a few spots left in my journal that I want to sit down with today. But other than that, I don't generally back plan. I need my September. So all of my August can come out because I don't like the extra bulk. I have no intention of looking back at August and seeing what I did because, again, it was a bit of it was just one of those months, basically. It's just one of those months. So as soon as I turn my page and it is a new month and I have my monthly, and then it's a new month, I will take out the previous month. That's just me. You might want to keep yours in and, you know, that's fine. You do you. But then I'll come in, I'll take anything from my September goals. And then I will put that on here. So I need to also do that. But other than that, I didn't do a whole bunch of stuff in August because, again, we just had stuff going on. So those are the things that I need to put in for my goals for September. Now, why do I keep them on a sticky note as well? Because sometimes they end up just transferring to the next month. That's how life is. And that's how my life is right now, is what I will say. So again, I've taken out my August, so my planner is a little bit skinnier, and I like it being skinnier right now. I feel a little frazzled. I am frazzled. So again, new month. I haven't filled in these. I haven't filled in this. I haven't filled in this. I didn't use my trackers. I just move on. I just move on. Points if you get the reference there. Does anybody else love musicals? If you know the name of the musical, put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. All right, so that is my wellness as well. And then what I generally do is I will put in a future month. So right now I've got October in here. I might even try and squeeze in. I'm going to squeeze in November. I'm going to squeeze in November. We can call this a planner refresh because that's what I'm going to do. We're going to squeeze in November. And then I'm going to put in November for my wellness. And then when I do my winter refresh, I can put in December and all of that. Love that. That is so cute. And then I'm going to look at this, take this out, put it in here. In case you didn't see this, on my reels, this is my first week of September in my journal. So yeah, I just needed something quick and easy, and that was that. So yeah, that is what I do every month, at the beginning of every month. So I'm going to take my dashboard out as well, put that in storage, And then I'm going to put this one in. This is the September dashboard freebie from last year. Again, I do save these. I just put them in a little folder and save them. And then we are set up. I wish that was a little up there, but it's fine. But yeah, and then that's it. I'm gonna take August out and take August out, and August will go in. Look at that. That's much happier. And August will go in its holding file for my journal. And then I will sit down and write in the stuff from yesterday. I was going to try and do it earlier this morning, but I just didn't get a chance. So yeah, I'm going to sit down and write in my stuff from yesterday, and then I'll be done. And that is what I sit down and do pretty much every month. The other thing that I do generally is put in my stickies, white out any lines that need whitening out in my monthly, redate. I know that I'm going to use black for this, so I'm redating. And then I will do the same for my wellness planner and just come in, white out and redate. And then any stickies that I need will get put back in, and then I'm golden. And then I'm ready for when I later on in the month come to do my setup for October. I'm ready to plan my themes and my weeks and stuff like that. And I have somewhere to put all of my regular stickies, like bills, anniversaries, etc. for November should I want to. So it's just something that I do each month, taking out the previous month and putting in a month ahead. So again, I generally have at least 2 or 3 months of each planner in my Frankenplanner. And again, you may just have a planner, but just having all 3 together in one here just saves a lot of headaches. That's what I do, and that's what I do at the beginning, beginning of the month. Take out the old, bring in the new. It's like a new year ritual, new month ritual. But yeah. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and it just could give you a little kind of behind the scenes of what I do with my planners each month. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!